Today I'm going to be reviewing Nacena's broom holder wall mount. I actually get two of these. I'd like to thank Nacena for sending this to me to review. It's nice stainless steel here. It has the hooks and it has a place to put your brooms. Now, I'm going to show you a picture of what it looks like mounted or a video, but this is really nice. And I'm going to tell you what I like about this. This gives you options. You can either decide to mount it with screws and brackets, or you can take the lazy way like I did. And look, double-sided 3M tape, and it works. So with the double-sided tape, all you're going to do is you're going to put it onto there and then just undo it and put it against the wall. I tried some heavy stuff to make sure it worked well, and it did. But again, this is what it looks like. This does really well on Amazon. It's an Amazon choice. It gets 4.8 stars. And last month, 500 plus of these were sold. So really well made. Now, the other one I reviewed was a plastic one, had a different mechanism for holding that, also did really well. So I think the products overall are really good. Also, another nice thing is if you have any problems, you got a 12-month warranty, just contact them. They'll repair or replace what you need. So they're going to take care of you if you get this from them. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.